I'm Jagdish Patel. I'm Senior QA/QC Engineer with Turner. Today, you will witness the concreting of the lift pit of a hotel block. This is the hotel block where we are standing, and what you see here is the lift pit of the hotel block. We have laid the rebars, the basic rebars, and the concreting of the lift pit is starting now. It has just begun. We are going to pour around 375 meter cube of concrete, and approximately it will take us around 10 hours to complete this concrete. So this is the you can say the first pour in the lift pit. After that, the second pour comes for the foundation. These are the pile heads what you see, and these will get embedded in the foundation later on. So this is the first pour what you see.